Replacing the batteries on the Yale lock is very easy. You just unscrew this part and lift it up, and then you just replace the batteries. They just use 4 AA batteries. For now, I'm doing something outside, so I just need to take out the batteries temporarily. That's it. And then when you're all done, put it back in and screw it righty-tighty. Super simple. I'm not sure how often you should change the batteries. Probably once a year on the safe side, even though they have the at the bottom of the other side. You can put it in a regular 9-volt battery, but the problem is this is pretty, what's it called, rusted up. This is my Yale lock.